Right. That went pretty quick, but this is actually a pretty tough lock. I've been working on it for a bit. Got a good couple of days in this guy. Super fun. This is not the same kind of Lockman Megacross I've picked before. This is a special version, lent to me by Georgia Jim, which is really hard to find. I've bought like 7 Lockman Megacrosses trying to get my hands on one of these, and just can't get one because, for one thing, pardon me, since I don't speak Japanese or read Japanese, as it were, it's harder to tell what exactly I'm buying. But these are very special because they have what we're calling these pyramid drivers. They're stepped there. There's a little extra lip out there, and they're stepped here, and they are very difficult. So you lift in this direction, so you start here and lift this way, and these steps are really difficult to get past. So there are 5 of these. Oh, jeez. They go like this, and there's this kind of rounded bit, and these fit into each other like so. If you put them in upside down, this lock becomes pretty easy. It's just kind of like a spool. But it is pretty challenging this way. Very fun. These are the kind of pins I like. This kind of lock because it's all the frustration comes from the fact that it's challenging because it's a very clever lock design, not because of like tapered pins drive me nuts because they're not hard, they're just tedious. I get very annoyed by them. It's because it's the same thing over and over and over again, but they're not actually difficult. And then the top stack is just these 4 little mushroom pins. And they basically act like spools. They're not a big deal. And then there's like a ball bearing in here with a special spring. I feel like not really anything particularly special going on in there. I'm not sure. Let's get a flashlight. Maybe there's some kind of special milling there. I don't know, maybe I can get that clip off. Or it's just gonna spin. that's a bunch of stuff to take that apart, take that off. But I don't think we're going to see anything that special doing that, so I'm not going to do it. In the regular Lockman, I think it's just 2 sets of these pins instead of these pyramid drivers, and with the pyramid drivers, they're wider, both the key pins and the driver pins, and it looks. I don't think there's anything else special going on in there. So anyway, it's a Lockman Megacross with the pyramid drivers. 5 of those, 4 pretty easy but still fun mushroom pins, and there it is.